problem number 2 for lesson 29. Remember again that we are connecting division by a unit fraction to division by 1/10 and 1/100th. So instead of 7 divided by 1/10, problem number 2 is going to be 7 4/10 divided by 1/10. So how does this compare to the problem we just solved? What do you notice? Good, yeah, there's still 7 wholes here, okay? But now there's also 4 more tenths. So the whole in the problem, the whole that we start with, is 4 more tenths than problem number 1. So we can ask ourselves, 7 4/10 is 1/10 of what number? Well, we already know part of this problem, right? There are how many tenths in 7 wholes? Think about problem number 1. How many tenths in 7 wholes? Good. 70. Okay, there's 70 tenths in 7 wholes. What about this? There are how many tenths in 4/10? Because our number is 7 wholes and 4/10, right? So how many tenths in 4/10? Come on, everybody. 4. So if there are 70 tenths in 7 wholes and 4/10 in 4/10, 7 4/10 is how many tenths all together? 74 tenths. Right? There's 74 tenths in the number 7 4/10. So this 7 4/10 is the same as 74 tenths. Okay, divided by 1/10 is the same as saying divided by 1/10. So 74 tenths divided by 1/10 is 74. Our answer is 74. Compare this number to this number. Do you see the pattern? Let's try another one. What if we did the number 9 divided by 1/10? What would our answer be? 90. Good. Okay, because there are 90 tenths, we're working in the tenths place, there are 90 tenths in the number 9. So that question we're asking ourselves is how many tenths are in this number, right? So let's try another one. Let's try 9 8/10 divided by 1/10. How many tenths are in 9 8/10? Everybody tell me. 98. You got it. So our answer is 98. Let's try another one. Let's do 6 2/10 divided by 1/10. How many tenths are there in 6 2/10? Everybody tell me. 62. You guys are on a roll. Okay, last one for problem number 2. 12 And 6/10 divided by 1/10. How many tenths are there in 12? 120. How many tenths in 6/10? 6. Our answer is 126. Good job.